To access the freezer compartment components, be sure to view the auger assembly and ice maker video first. With the auger assembly and ice maker removed, start removing all shelving. Next, remove any rail supports that are blocking the removal of the evaporator cover and evaporator air duct cover. Next, take out these 4 screws securing the evaporator cover into place. The evaporator cover can then slide up and out of the freezer. The defrost thermostat, evaporator, and defrost heater can now be accessed. To access the evaporator fan motor, remove these 2 screws from the evaporator air duct cover. The air duct cover can then be lifted up slightly, allowing access to the evaporator fan motor. Disconnect the wiring to remove the entire fan motor assembly. To replace the fan motor, start by pulling off the fan blade. Then slide the motor out of the housing. Slide off the slinger washer and then the rubber bushing. Remove the rear rubber bushing and bracket. The purpose of the slinger washer is to prevent moisture from dripping down the shaft and into the motor. Be sure to reinstall all components to the new motor as shown. The fan blade is secured by pressing the blade firmly onto the motor shaft.